Hello everyone. So, if you want to start getting QA testing projects in 60 days as a new, fresh, or existing manual QA engineer, you just need to follow a correct guided path to get your first paid project, and you need to do some learning as well. One thing you need to keep in mind: without learning something, you cannot earn something. So, you need to spend time. In this video, I am going to show you how exactly you can follow a roadmap as a manual QA engineer without any coding to start getting your projects on Fiverr, Upwork, and directly to your inbox after learning QA testing. So let's get started. I am a QA engineer having 10 years of experience and I have completed 2000 plus projects. And here I am going to show you exact roadmap where you will be able to get paid in 60 days from day one. If you are new or you don't know testing, you can still start getting the projects. So, for the first 15 days, you need to understand the fundamentals if you are a new QA engineer. But if you are not new, then you can just start from portfolio, because if you are a QA engineer having good experience, then you can skip the fundamentals. You already know about this and you already done the practice, then you can start working from portfolio. So, in the fundamentals, you need to find out what is QA testing, what is software development lifecycle, and you need to learn exploratory testing, usability and UI testing, functional testing, and mobile responsiveness testing. Now, to exact show you, I have a very important playlist of manual testing course where there are only few videos, but in these 7 videos, you can start your journey as a QA because it will cover everything related to manual testing, including the usability, UI UX, functional, and mobile responsiveness. And I added the live example of testing in these videos as well. So in first 15 days, learn about these things. Then from 16 to 30 day, just do the practice. There are many websites. I have added the practice website link in my comment, and also in my videos, I have clearly explained how you can do the practice and where you can do the practice. Once you have the knowledge, once you have practiced, now you are ready to sell. Then you have to make the portfolio. You can create some bug reports, then some of the test cases. You can create a portfolio. Nowadays everything is possible with AI. Just go to Lovable and create your website. Link is also in the description. You can go to Lovable and create your portfolio website showing your example. And then last 15 days you need to go for the testing platforms. There are pretty different platforms other than Fiverr and Upwork. There are platforms like user testing. There are platforms like Testera and other platforms where you can start selling your website testing services as a QA engineer. So this is the 60 days roadmap. Now, day 1 to 30 is foundation plus practice. So, for these 30 days, everything is here. You need to learn, you need to build the foundation, you need to understand the exploratory testing and need of this QA testing, and then you need to practice. Everything is in my free course. Then in the portfolio and first income, you need to do some documentation. Use testing platforms. There are user testing, U test, test work, test birds, and complete your profiles there. And then go for freelancing setup on Fiverr and Upwork as well. Website search for website QA testing plus bug report. Then you can build the portfolio on Lovable, or I will add the Lovable here because you can easily create your portfolio on Lovable. So link is in the comment description. You can check that. Once these 4 steps are ready, you can just land your first client. So the 5 free minute spot check offer: test a business site and send 3 bugs. So you can choose any business website other than these platforms. I am talking about direct client hunting. You can go to any website, find three bugs, and send them an email or contact them, telling them that there are bugs on your website. Here are three bugs I found. If you need full testing, let me know. So this is the best way you can get the clients and income reality. So you can start earning 100 to $300 in your first month, but later on you can start earning this, and after 6 months I assure you you can start earning 500 to $1,500. That's not a bad numbers. So these are real numbers. I'm not telling you that you will earn $10,000 per month in 2 months, but I am showing you how it will work actually. Then once you have experience, you can have team, you can earn $20,000 per month as well, but only after maybe 1 year, 2 year, after doing hard work. And if you can get bigger clients, long-term clients here, then you will have more earnings. Now, after 60 days, manual QA can have 400 to $1,200 per month salary if you are going for a job. And if you are also learning the automation, then you can earn 1,500 to $3,000 per month. And if you are including the AI skills as well with your automation and manual, then you will get somewhere $5,000 per month. So I am telling you everything here. Manual course is already here. You can learn everything. Automation is here with Playwright and GitHub, but I am about to launch a very interesting AI automation testing course where I will show you that without writing a single line of code and without setting up complex softwares or anything, with the help of Claude Code or Cursor or ChatGPT, for free you can automate the testing of any project, any product within hours. You can automate many test cases. You can work for companies as an automation testing engineer. So that is the everything. Now comment your day number and I reply to everyone. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in comments. If you are stuck somewhere, you can book a session with me. I can have a 30 minutes or 1 hour session with you. If you are stuck or if you need any kind of help, you can go to my website. Link is in the comment as well. You can go and then create your comment and create your booking sessions. I will get back to you. So start today and within next 60 days tell me if you have started earning or not. Please subscribe to my channel and ask any questions in comment. Thank you and have a nice day.